Coexistence is the soul of cities. Security makes individual freedom and community life possible. The constant changes experienced by cities upset the balance. Altering the way people behave and making new security model approaches necessary. Madrid is transforming the municipal police force and launches a new model of security for coexistence. A model of public security based on the principles of prevention, solidarity, citizen participation, and police presence. A comprehensive security model in which economic, social, employment, urban development, education, and cultural policies are all elements of prevention. With a more efficient police force, closer to citizens, with more human and material resources, at the forefront of the fight against insecurity. A police force of reference for a more human Madrid, based on coexistence, inhabitability, and tolerance. Security must be real and at the same time perceived by citizens. Going from crime prevention, one of the police's fundamental tasks, to risk prevention. A wider approach in which security affects all other policies. Establishing permanent channels of communication with citizens, facilitating collaboration and involvement. A new strategy aimed at facilitating good relationship among citizens. A great coexistence pact in which all groups play a part. This new municipal police model intensifies its presence in the streets to implement effective preventive actions in response to changing behaviors, habits, and customs. The new strategy aims for total coordination between the municipal and national police forces and perfects the integration of all municipal emergency services in the Madrid Integrated Security and Emergencies Center. A more professional municipal police for Madrid. With agents specialized in serving the most disadvantaged or vulnerable sectors. Comprehensive improvement that raises the quality of the service we provide to citizens. New municipal police force, adapted to the new, more open and cosmopolitan social reality. police force that uses new tools and new technologies to improve access to the citizen. Direct communication systems that make our work more effective. Satellite location systems that improve the coordination, effectiveness, and monitoring of our actions. Databases that make it possible to improve prevention and update risk maps. Innovation that goes beyond technology, embracing new ideas and new ways of tackling old problems. Strategy, professionalism, and innovation come together in highly efficient functioning, characterized by decentralization, in which each district unit is capable of detecting and preventing the problems within its territory. The Madrid Municipal Police Force is being transformed. To provide the City of Madrid with a security service based on the principles of prevention, closeness, citizen participation, and solidarity. To achieve a more human Madrid, based on coexistence, freedom, social justice, and equality. The Madrid Municipal Police Force is renewing itself to make sure that the streets of the capital continue to enjoy the privileged sensation of tranquility and safety that both citizens of Madrid and visitors have traditionally enjoyed. To ensure that Madrid continues to enjoy peaceful coexistence and freedom. To ensure that Madrid continues to be one of the safest cities in Europe. Madrid Municipal Police. Security for coexistence.